Thank you for your purchase of TORQ Tricycle. This tricycle comes with sleek steel base, big tires, rear basket, zipper and ring bell. Please follow this instruction video carefully to know how to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. You also need a hex key. First, attach the rear wheels to the main body by using axle rod. Rear wheel packing bush. Then insert wheel on both sides and lock the same with side washer and pin. Also cover it with wheel cap. Now, place the front mudguard to the front wheel fork, and it is now ready to be placed as front wheel to the main body by simply inserting the front wheel fork to main body. Then place the handle fitting clamp to the front fork. Lock the same with hex key after placing the handle. Cover the clamp with handle fitting cap. It's time to place the seat to the main body by simply putting it to the body and lock it with provided screws. In the last, place the rear basket to the main body and lock it with provided screws. For finishing touch, place the zipper to bottle stand. Your TORQ tricycle is now ready to use. Ride Kids Pride.